Hello guys, and I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF to PNG and extract single page or any of the pages from your PDF file. So first what you need to do here is you have to go to Google and search PDF to PNG or PDF to JPG, and you can open up any of the websites here. Then what you need to do here is you have to select the PDF from which you want to extract the pages. So I have uploaded this file here, page to JPEG or extract images. So here I will convert to JPEG, or you can choose any of the other websites here. Now it is going to show me that okay, your file has been converted. Then you can download the file. So I have downloaded the file. What I'm going to do here is extract the images. Now I have the file with me, and I will right click, extract the file. If you do not have 7-zip, I highly recommend that you download this is a free software, or you can use the inbuilt software on your computer. Extract to the folder, and here you have it. We have successfully extracted the images from our PDF. Now you can use this and basically do whatever that you want, and if you can create cover design and everything. That's it.